Hey everybody, Min here with
Jerry.
We're at Sky Club, and today we're going to go over the Pec Fly, especially on the machine. Pec Flies can obviously be done with free weights, but today we're going to do it specifically on this machine. There are many, typically speaking, we see like pec decks or like pure isolation variations. Sometimes they're even like flat on the floor or horizontal to the floor on an elevated platform, so you got a little bit of depth. In our case today, this is kind of like a pec deck without the reverse fly in it, even though it does go quite far back. Oh, actually it does go into reverse fly. That's pretty cool. So you got a cool machine here where actually it's a little bit more different than usual. I actually haven't seen this one before, but most machines have a few things that are the same, and we're going to go over those today. Sometimes seats usually have an adjustability for its height. I don't think this one does, but I'd recommend setting the height so that the handle, it is horizontal and with your arms. Okay, so you don't want it like this where your arms are jammed, or you're reaching up and you got to shrug. You can also play with the height too to get like more lower pecs or upper pecs, but even then the degree of change isn't very big. I'm going to start off with my first set here. The cool part is they only have adjustable like pivots. They also can articulate here, which actually eliminates the need for a seat height, because you just grab wherever and you're pretty much okay. I'm going to sit on like the pec deck here. When you're pulling it in, there's no load, so here is the perfect time to make some adjustments. Right? Once I'm ready, I'm going to make sure I got my hips squared on the seat. A lot of times people are like off the seat, they're turned here and here, and you don't think about that. You're going to get uneven reps. Okay, so even be squared with your seating. I want to make sure my scapulas are depressed. Some people retract them, but I just like them keeping depressed. And so I'm just going to hug my biceps together. Just like so. Try not to shoot your head or chest off the pec deck. We just want to stay here with it and just focus on the contraction of the pecs, hugging the biceps. The big mistake I see is people just bringing their hands together. Unfortunately, our pecs don't connect to our hands, so you're getting a much smaller contraction here and way less range of motion compared to here when your arms are lengthened, and that's because our pecs attach onto our humerus. I'm going to get Jerry to do some reps, and he's going to maybe talk through with some advice or some tips he's got.
Okay. Oh.
Good. Very good pec contraction. He's doing a great job of keeping his pecs used the whole time. He's not dumping it into his anterior delt. He's not putting it into his traps. He's doing it very, very controlled. Good eccentric, fantastic concentric too. And notice he's pausing at each portion of the movement to really maximize the rep. Great stuff. One more. Nice. How do you feel, Jerry?
I feel like my chest is doing a lot of the work.
Yeah.
Actually, most of the work.
That's very good. Yeah, compared to like a bench press or a chest press where you got a little bit of tricep, a little bit of delts, this one's purely pec. Can I give you a little like tip to try? Not really. This is good just for if you really struggle to feel your pecs. He's going to do the exact same thing. At the end, he's going to squeeze the handles together without using his hands, just his pecs. Okay? Just do 3 reps like that, nicely controlled. So even when you reach full range of motion, just keep squeezing until your pecs light up like a Christmas tree. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Yes, that's what we want right there. Good. 2 more. He's going to squeeze. Nice. On the eccentric, he wants to really feel his pecs stretch out. Once he feels that stretch, he squeezes. There we go. Great stuff. Anything else to add, Jerry?
Sorry?
Anything else to add?
No, that's it.
That's
Just
it.
keep the movement controlled, I guess.
Yeah.
Eccentric, concentric.
Good stuff. Thank you. We'll see you next time.